Hello everyone, hope you are all doing great. The best way to utilize your free time is to upgrade your knowledge and skills on the subjects that are interesting and also the fields where there are lots of opportunities. In this video, I am going to brief you about the live online certificate course in VFX and Compositing, offered by Mysore's largest and leading multimedia college, ANiFRAMES Academy. My name is Srihari GJ, Senior Technical Executive at ANiFRAMES Academy, and I am going to be your mentor for this course. I will be teaching you all the tricks and techniques to create stunning visual effects and compositing. It's going to be a great learning experience. Visual effects have now become an integral part of efficient communication. It could be communicating your ideas through fine presentations, teaching concepts using motion graphics, advertisements, social awareness videos, newsrooms, etc. Visual effects are anywhere and everywhere. I'm sure you all would have been awestruck with the visual effects in the blockbuster movies like Avatar, Jumanji, Transformers, or our own Indian blockbusters like Bahubali, Robot, Krish, and many more. How are these done? This is exactly what you will be learning in this certificate course in VFX and Compositing. This course is for a duration of 8 months and it is going to be live online classes with me mentoring you live on a daily basis. Now coming to the content of this course, we first begin with Photoshop, which is kind of a backbone of any creative works in this industry. We generate most of the compositing layers using Photoshop. We learn how to edit, cloning different elements, removing unwanted stuffs, photo manipulation, and adding different kinds of effects. Effects in Photoshop is an image-based process. The same effects and manipulations can be edited to create a video using Adobe After Effects. So in simple words, Photoshop is an image enhancement and manipulation software, whereas After Effects is a video enhancement and manipulation software. The most commonly worked on tools in VFX today is green screen removal or key light. You might have seen this movie, right? The background that can be easily removed behind the actor and replaced completely with a different background. If you don't have any green screen facility to separate the background from the actor or subject, you can do it by using another method called rotoscoping. Isn't it great? Not only using After Effects, we will teach you how to use Mocha application also. Now tracking is very important tool in VFX. I love this effect whenever I watch Avengers. Basically, tracking is used to replicate the CGI effects and apply it according to the movements of my hand. You might also have seen to create such stunts, actors will wear wires and cables which we need to remove later on for the end result. We call it as wire removal technique. Not only VFX for videos, we will learn how to create attractive motion graphics, stunning title effects and advanced color correction, sound effects and editing techniques using Adobe Premiere Pro. You might think that there are lots of other web platforms and tons of video tutorials in the net. then why is it necessary to take up such live online course? Well, the first advantage from ANiFRAMES Academy is you will sit live in front of me, and whatever the expertise I have gained, I will be sharing them through easy tricks and techniques. The amount of time I have invested to understand the entire process, you can definitely save that time by choosing this course. Second one, since it is a live online course, you can stop me whenever you want, whatever the doubts, any number of time. Well, this is not at all possible from the pre-recorded videos. You will have to leave your doubts in the comment section and wait for the reply. But not here. You can frequently ask questions as many times as possible until you are satisfied on the spot. We will be glad to clear all your doubts. Third one, Adobe After Effects has thousands of tools and effects controls. In online tutorials, if you have observed, it is completely a project-based program. You will understand the tools only required for that particular project. Tomorrow, if you need to work on any other project which requires different tool sets and skills, you could be stuck. But this course from ANiFRAMES not only make you understand a particular segment of VFX and compositing, but also make you industry ready, make you confident to handle any kind of projects. You could work at a filmmaking or visual effects studio or also be a freelancer. Fourth one, it is not just a theory session. It is completely interactive and practical oriented. When I say interactive, it means you will experience the sessions as good as regular classroom sessions. Right where you're sitting, isn't it interesting? You're not only seeing me but also observing my demonstrations. Meanwhile, if any doubts arise, you can share your screen. Sitting right here, I can handle your After Effects interface and guide you with proper solutions. This is something like you are in a classroom or a lab and your teacher directly coming to your place and guiding you the subject. Fifth one, very important, I'm not here to teach you only the tools. Visual effects and compositing is an art. I'll be teaching you what are the skills required to think like an artist, including Photoshop, Mocha, Premiere Pro as an additional support to edit and create your creative visual ideas as a video output. Sixth one, this is a course that anyone can take up. No qualification and geographical borders. Are you a graduate, undergraduate, housewife, or have you discontinued school or college of XY reasons? You can all take this course as this is purely skill and output based. Also, there is no upper age limit. You will be hired or employed or paid only for your skills. And finally, from ANiFRAMES Academy, lots of students are already availing these benefits through live online sessions. And all our successful students are doing great in the industry right now. The greatest benefit from this course is by the time you complete this course, you will be confident and technically sound to work in the industry as a professional. ANiFRAMES definitely supports you with numerous placement opportunities. We currently offer these courses in 3 different languages: English, Kannada and Hindi. Then what are you waiting for? Just pick up your phone and dial 90082777700. I repeat once again, 90082777700. Contact us on this number. We'll be glad to clear all your doubts and guide you the admission process. If you like this information, please share this video with your friends and do not forget to subscribe our channel and get our latest updates. My name is Shrihari JJ. Stay tuned with ANiFRAMES Academy. Bye-bye.